Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome. Anna here. I'm sitting in my home in Amsterdam and today I am gonna unbox my Gambad box with the stockings. This is this one, and as a bonus I will unbox the package with shorts for my man. I hope you guys enjoy it. First, let's begin with my box from France. It's with stockings. It costs 16 euro and you get 2 pairs of stockings plus sometimes some bonus. So very excited what will be in this one. It's, by the way, from October. Okay. So this month we just received 2 pairs of stockings in a very nice box. It's with a lot of prints inside instead of a brochure. This is 40 Dan and the straight pattern ties. You will see the photo now on the screen. These stockings, they're with straight stripes and on the picture they look amazing. These are stockings with a small diamond pattern and they're 40 Dan. They also look amazing on the photo. I hope you get the feeling how nice they look. So see, this is the box inside. This time they decided not to make any leaflet, so that's what we get with all the descriptions. I find it a very eco-friendly solution. And now let's unbox some underwear for men. This package, it's on that ass and it costs 10 euro per month, the subscription. I feel it's Dutch brand. This month the topic is Halloween, so we have some comic figures, orange, black and white, some graves. Very scary. Hey, if you think that my videos are nice and you would like to see more, just subscribe and I will see you there. That was it for the stockings and man underwear unboxing for this month. I hope you liked it. I'm sure you cannot get all the joy which I got, but you might get inspired. See you next time. Have a good day or night.